Hello everyone, I'm going on again with another Pixsar Media App tutorial. So I think we are almost there. We have looked at the onboarding process, how to sign up for the Pixsar Media App as a business, B2B. But before we jump into creating the actual events, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the dashboard. So in this video, you're going to look at the Pixsar Media App dashboard. That's the dashboard.pixsar.io. So after the dashboard overview, I will then take you through the events creation process and how to get started live streaming. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get started with the Pixsar Media dashboard. So in the previous video, I showed you the onboarding process, which is the screen right now that you are looking at. And today we are going to go to the dashboard. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the dashboard. But before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that. Click on the bell notification button and all that stuff you already know. Alright, so let's go to the dashboard and get started. I already took you through the onboarding process in the previous video. So if you're not logged in, you should just go to this button right now. From the home button, just click on join now, and you can simply click on the sign up button. As you can see, it redirects us to this page since we already went through the onboarding process. So if you haven't gone through the onboarding process, make sure you check out the previous tutorial and you can join us so we can all be on the same page. Alright, so this is the event that I already created. If you haven't created an event, there won't be anything here. There will only be this button that says create event. Since I created an event, this is the event, and you can simply go to manage event to do some things like edit the live stream, see the mini statement and all that stuff. Let's just go through the event. You can also check this. This switch is for you to switch between live and not live. You can create an event and it's not live until you click this button. Make sure the event will be live, okay, and accessible. This button right here will be showing you the balance from the gifts or from the money that has been made from your event, as I'm going to be showing you. These other buttons like the QR code. This is the QR code for people to scan and join the event, and this is the link right here to share with your audience. This link, short link, okay. And then we have this button for the settings to do some quick edits for the event, just in case you forgot something. And you can also delete the event, which I think we should do because I want us to recreate this from scratch. So you have seen this, the wallet, which collects all the event revenue, the gift revenue. There's the part for the gift and there's the part for the event monetization, the event itself. In case you make some coins from the event, they will be shown right here in your balance or in your wallet. By the way, this dashboard right here also includes the photo box that will be created for you, and we also have this part for the team management. In case you want to add more people to the team, you can simply click on invite and add their email to add them to your team or to your dashboard to allow them manage or help you manage the business. And then we have this button right here in case you want to upload more photos, in case you want to upload more shorts videos, and in case you want unlimited storage for your events. You need the standard package. For us, we are still using the basic package right now, the free package, which you're supposed to get before you start creating the event. So I think that's it for today's video for the dashboard overview. So I hope this video was helpful. I took you through the whole dashboard right here, and also took you through the option here for this button right here, team management. This is where you add people. You notice right now I'm the admin, but you can add the other admins or you can add someone else depending on what you want them to do. And then this, you can access the same setting right here. This setting, you can access it under here under your profile, and then you can also switch between workspaces in case you have more than one. Alright, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, be sure to check out the previous Pixsar Media App tutorial where I show you the onboarding process, how to sign up for the Pixsar Media App, and how to get started live streaming and making money online. Alright, thank you very much for joining me in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.